Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create catalog in Shopify. Let's get started. So if you want to know that, what you can do is you can head over in here on our actual online store. Now, for example, we can click on our pages, and in here, we should be able to see the page that we have right now. So for example, let's first add in here a page, and let's name it catalog. So let's name it like that. And then in here, let's save this page. Now click on save, and it should be good to go. Next thing we need to do is we can head over in here on our navigation. Now in here, we have these items right here. So you can click on this add menu. And then for example, right here, let's name it catalog as well. Now in here, let's save this progress. And then this will look like this. So next thing we need to do is we just need to click on this add menu item. And then you can add in here some pages that you want on your catalog. So for example, let's add in here some more pages. Like for example, the product page, we can add this right here. And then let's name this hat. Click on add right here. Then you can also add another item. Let's add some more products right here. And let's add this pants, add right here. And then let's add another product that we have, which is the t-shirt product. Now click on this add right here and it should be added. Now click on save menu and it should be saved. Now the other thing that you can do is when you head back, and if you head over in here on your main menu, in here you should be able to see the catalog. Now you can add another menu item right here, and you can add the product that you want added. So for example, let's add the hat. Now on this hat right here, let's just drag this, and then let's add this below the catalog. But let's swipe to the right in order to make this a sub menu. Now you can add another right here, and then let's add some more products in here. Now add this, and then after that, save your progress. Now when we try to view your online store, this is what it will look like. We can click on this drop down catalog, and we can head over to that specific page that we want to go into. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.